Hi guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. Today we are playing Clash Royale. So we have lot of chests to open, and even we have a big giant chest. So two golden chests, which is actually what I didn't expect. But yeah, we are going to start off with the silver chest. Gold, common wild cards. Yes, that's exactly what I want. And exactly what I don't want, anything according to rare cards, that is rare wild cards and stuff, because I don't use any rare cards. It's not going to help me. Golden chests, so both the golden chests are done. Let's go with the crown chests. Gold gems, wizard. Oh yes, the wizard and the hog rider and the electro dragon. Oh, a lot of common wild cards now, and the Tesla very close, to level 11. I can't wait. Hopefully we'll get it there. Tornado Tombstone. Okay, I hate that card, but I have to take it. Okay then. Now the big boy chest, go giant chest. Hopefully we get something out of this. Maybe a legendary. I don't know. Just this is a very, strange things happen in this game, but not on this occasion. Okay, we have got lot of Teslas in the giant chest. As you saw, 200 I think odd Teslas, which helps us. I think we should not upgrade the elixir collector. I think, yeah, don't need actually. Okay, fine, let's go to the Tesla now. And now 74 wild cards, that's a lot. So let's apply them, and yes, let's upgrade them, because close to 40,000 gold, and if we spend 20 out of that, it's going to be close to 20,000. So there you go. Tesla level 11, damage 230, and the hit points are a lot as well. The HP, it's over 1000. So what else do you want? Again, let's put it to the Tesla, because it's still much behind arrows, which the other common card we use in our deck is. So actually I got the Mega Knight. We have a legendary wild card as well. So I got a Mega Knight from the trade area at the Clan Wars earlier, which actually I had an option to put it for Ram Raider as well, but I thought Mega Knight, because let's get it to level 11 as early as possible. And Electro Wizard, let's get it to level 10. But I think not now, because we have less amount of gold. Why should we waste too much? So yeah, I think we got the legendary wild card from the war chest, which we won. Our clan won the war chest, and we got it from there, the legendary wild card. Now we have applied it for the Electro Wizard, and unfortunately I think we are not playing with the Electro Wizard, because that deck I think is not as good as this one over here, where the Tesla's damage is 230, level 11, and I'm playing against the King level 9, which will help me a lot. I'm not going to make the first move, but if he wastes a lot of time, I have to do it. Let's see. Hopefully it makes a move now. Atta 2, please make a move. Actually, let's go for the Inferno Dragon. I think let's go for the Inferno Dragon. Why should we waste our time? He's not going to send it. Okay, skeletons. A P.E.K.K.A. Oh my god. I don't have it in this deck. I use it, but not in this deck. So that's the problem here. Okay, then let's now go for the brand new level 11 card, the Tesla. Okay, another level 11 card here. Arrows. Look at that, the Mega Minion. It was only half damaged, and the Tesla does the remaining damage. Oh my god, that's a lot. And he doesn't have as much HP as I have on my tower. Obviously, he's King level 9, but still. Okay, a double, lane attack. P.E.K.K.A. again. Okay, we have the Inferno Dragon, which is a real good advantage. If we didn't have a P.E.K.K.A. and an Inferno Dragon, I think we would have been in danger, but at least we have one. So good. Okay, again let's go for the Tesla. Oh, level 11. Oh, it's not damaged much. Oh, now he's damaging me nicely. But still, I have the confidence. I can come back here. Bomber. I think the bomber can't do much when you send the goblin barrel, in different parts of the tower. Elixir golem is doing its job, but now the problem is he's going to get lot of elixir from it. Lot of. Okay. Let's, try to just defense. I know it's. Oh, wall breakers. I just want those wall breakers. Yeah, okay, one is okay, I think. I really love the wall breakers because there is two. One does the damage of 325, and if it's two, I think it's around 650, which is a lot. 11. Come on, get that, get that, get that. Yes! The golems. The golemites. I don't know what to say, but that does the job for me. And I have won the first round. Let's go for the next. Hopefully, I can finish this quickly and play another Clan War Colosseum game. Okay, look at the crowd. The giants, the goblins, the barbarians, the archers, etc. Lot of them. Okay. Now, we'll wait for him to make the move, but hopefully he makes it early. Sparky. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There you go. Let's defeat it early. The firecracker does a lot of damage, but it's just level 8 for me, so not a big level. Sparky, well done. Okay, let's try to get the most out of the Sparky now. Hopefully it does at least. Yes, that's exactly what I meant. Miner level 10. I have so many level 10 legendary cards, but it still helps. But if the miners damage was a little bit more, it would have been good. Maybe at least of the goblins. I think it's not as much as the goblins. Okay, time for Mega Knight. I have got it to. No, not today. Yeah, I just got an extra card of Mega Knight early morning. Okay, get that balloon out. Yes. Get that minion out as well. Yes. I think now he's not sending anything. Oh, too late. He has to give me the tower. Okay, but the Valkyrie level 7, I think it's not too effective against the level 10 Mega Knight. Okay. No moves. I'm having the upper hand. I've damaged more to his other crown tower. 1700, that's a lot. And his king tower as well, so. Okay then. Yeah, I'll go for the dart goblin because the wizard, it's too much elixir. So I don't know why his cards are. Maybe he's just gone to level king level 9. Maybe a new candidate for that. Okay, let's go for the mother witch. It's not. We've not used it now. Yeah. Okay, we won the duel. I think I'm playing the Clan War Colosseum for the first time, and I won both the duel sets. So very happy. And let's go for the next one. I think we can play one more here because we didn't waste many time in the duels. Okay, let's upgrade the Electro Wizard before that. I've got, yes, there you go, level 10. We had 20 odd thousand gold, so okay, let's use it off. Okay. I'm not playing the traditional battle. Destroy the central elixir storage to gain elixir and use troops to collect elixir on the bridges. Okay. I'm playing with the, the P.E.K.K.A deck where the P.E.K.K.A is, so I can get those elixir, what do you call, those balls of elixir which they showed. There you go. Oh, I don't have the P.E.K.K.A. Fine, now I get it, but yeah, too much elixir, can't use it now. Oh no, he has the Inferno. Don't. Yes, the Electro Wizard is helping here. A level 10 Electro Wizard. Just now upgraded. Fresh. Okay. Valkyrie. The Bandit. I don't have it. Very surprising that the Bandit costs only around 3 elixir. That's less elixir. Okay, the Ghost, the big Ghost. Oh my god, it's really frustrating me out here. Again another Inferno. He's gaining a lot of elixir. Okay. Even my Royal Ghost is level 10. Can you believe that? I upgraded recently, very recently. And I think I've made the video of it. Hopefully you have seen it. I think we got it in a war chest last week. Last week's war chest. Oh no, the Bandit has dashed. Oh my god. The ball is building, but he has the Inferno. I can't do anything about that. Absolutely anything. I can't do anything. He has to get that. I don't have the Electro Wizard as well, so. Yeah. The Giant. Level 8 Giant. Oh my god. He just has 56 hit points left on his tower. That's too less. I think I have to get that tower now. Come on. 1 minute left, and if I get that tower and defend mine, I think I'm going to be the winner, even though I've not got that ball, that elixir ball, from not even once. That's all I can say. The Bandit, if it dashes P.E.K.K.A, what can it do? It's going to get it again, but I don't care about that now because we've got the tower and we are having the upper hand. So why do we need to care about that now? Just defend those towers. Oh no, the bandit. Yes, nothing done. Valkyrie, if it was level 7 or 6, then I think we would have been in danger, but because it's level 10, he can't do anything. Now it's my turn to get that ball. Come on, get it. No, don't go. Inferno should not come near it. That's all I wish. Yes. Does he get it again? Yes, he does. So we don't get it even once, but we are the winner. So why do we need to care about that now? We get all those to win, and he got all those but didn't win. Can you believe that? 500 gold. 500. That's a lot. Okay, we have around 17,000 gold now. Okay guys, we'll wrap this episode for here. If you liked it, please smash that like button and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.